Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and back to part 2 of the Alvis. This episode will cover just the metalwork, and we've condensed over 400 hours into about 15 minutes. I hope you enjoy the video. We will add more to the playlist. There'll be one that covers the filler work, the levelling. The customers opted to have the engine pulled out, so there'll be lots of detail work on getting the engine painted, a few bits zinc nickel plated, a few bits blasted and painted. So do a separate video of that as well. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Here we're carefully cutting away the outer cover arch that was let on in the 70s or 80s. Here we're carefully cutting away the bottom of the right hand front wing to expose all the A-post repairs that we've got to carry out. Now carefully cutting away the step and the outer sill. Now Bob's cutting out the rot section of the inner sill. Here we've replicated the 1 inch by 1 inch sill strengthener and letting that in. This is the right hand inner wheelhouse support that goes behind the rear seat. This is the body mount on the right hand side that goes behind the rear seat to the inner wheelhouse. Now sections of inner sill being let in. The inner sill's being spot welded to the inner sill strengthener. Now Bob's spot welding a 90 return on the doorstep. Now the right hand front lower wing section is ready to weld in, having fettled it with a straight edge to make sure it fits nicely. There's a couple of small repairs to the top A pillar inner and outer. Now Bob's filing up the edge of the wing for a consistent 5mm panel gap to the door. This is the outer section of the right and rear wheelhouse. Bob's making up a new one, but it won't get plug welded in until after the rear arch has been welded in place and metal finished. It just gives us access. There's a few small repairs to take care of on the right hand rear arch that Bob's taken care of. This is the right hand rear wing lower section that Bob's just wheeling up to the right profile. Now this section's being TIG welded in, then metal finished. The right and rear arch has been clear-coated in place, so we're happy with the fit, and now we're just going to spot it every few inches and then slowly work our way around to a completed weld. Time for some more metal finishing. This is a template for a new inner dirt shield that we'll remake. The rear panel's completely in the wrong place, and it's just laid over the panels. Everything's lap jointed. Rear floor extension's rotten, so that's been cut out and a new one made. The holes for the number plate lights and the number plate plinth are all in the wrong place, so we're TIG welding all those up and a couple of repair sections as well. The boot floor has got some rot in it as well, both sides. Now the rear panel's clamped in place. We'll spot weld the lower section, then TIG weld the top and sides, and then metal finish. A new boot aperture fabricated as well. That was a little bit beyond repair.